Alright guys, welcome man, welcome back to the channel. Real quick, Alright guys, what we have here is, I think this is a 05 Dodge Dakota. Hey, yep, see, it went off and came back on. When they go off and come back on, that means there's a problem. The airbag module sees a problem. What I'm talking about, the problem they in for is airbag light on, okay? Oh, that one just flashed. Is that one flashed or? Okay, so these lights come on the initial startup for what we call a bulb check, okay? All the lights, in fact, guys, let's do this. All right, I'm gonna turn the key off and turn the key on. You see mostly all the lights on. That's just merely checking to make sure the bulbs are good. Okay, in some cases the computer can tell if the bulb has been removed. So you can't just try to hide your check engine light by removing the bulb. It's not that simple, but people do that. Okay, now once you do the initial turn to run, all the lights come on, it checks to verify if the bulbs are good. It will go out and let's see. Okay, this one stayed on. Let me do it again. Turn it off. Turn it on. Airbag light on. Okay, this must be a hard active code. Most airbag lights are. Okay, if you see an airbag light on, in fact, if the module do not see any problems with the airbag, it will turn the light off right then and there. But obviously, this airbag module sees that there is a problem with the airbag system, which makes this a safety issue, guys. Okay, airbags are here for a purpose. They are designed to deploy in the event of a crash. Okay, so that could potentially help save your life, guys. So don't play with the airbag system. If the light is on, that means your system is purely disabled. So right now, because that light is on, if you go out drive and you know, just say have an accident, you run into a pole, there's a good chance likely that your airbag will not deploy. Okay, now in the event that this becomes some kind of lawsuit prone issue, there is ways insurance adjuster can come out to the car, tap into your airbag module and see if there was a problem. So you cannot just simply sue a car manufacturer because your airbags did not deploy when you had an accident, especially if you knew there was a problem with your airbag system and you didn't get it corrected. Okay, now they have sophisticated ways to verify that. So guys, don't try to play slick with them. So, you know. All right, so what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna bring this car in the shop, take it in the shop, because I'm gonna need my special secret scan tool called the DRB. All right, that's right. This is an 05 model. The only way I can test this is with my patented DRB, guys. I'm gonna put a link right here where y'all go check my DRB operation out while I discuss it, talk about it. I love this tool. Without it, I'm nothing. And I don't want to be nothing. I want to be something. Guys, I'm in the shop now, so let me get inside of a bay and grab my tool. We're gonna check this thing out. So guys, let me go to a quick ad break. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. I will be right back. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. I was wrong, guys. This particular 05 Dakota do not take the DRB. It all depends on the network, actually, guys. So it's not a particular year you can try to memorize, because depending on the network would dictate which scan tool you use. Okay, now I have the topology pulled up on that 05 Dodge Dakota. It has a 3.7 Magnum in it. Now we're looking for why the airbag light on, and as you can see, guys, let's look on the all DTC. Okay, I got a lot of codes. These are active, relating to occupant classification module. No response from the lost communication with occupant classification module. Okay, typically I would go in the ORC first, and according to the DTCs, that is the exact same code. The occupant classification module, basically off the bus, it's offline. Now, obviously, see, and you can see it's off the bus based on this. This is the module itself, OCM. It is red, meaning it is offline. That is likely why your airbag light on. But I always have a hard time the difference between ORC and OCM. Now, where is this module located? Because before you go to thinking you need to replace this, you need to visually inspect it and see if anything looks out of the ordinary. Because I can't memorize where it's at, and it's all over the place depending on the car. From car to car, they're all over the place. I would simply go and find out where this thing at. Alright, here we are, guys. According to this, this is the occupant classification module removal procedure. So that tells me, that will at least tell me the location. And according to this, guys, it is under the passenger seat. I have a hard time memorizing these. I don't even try to memorize them anymore because they all over the place. But going through a quick search right quick, I can determine that this module is under the seat. Now, guys, let's go take a visual inspection of this module before we start doing any kind of communication test. All right, stay with me. All right, let's get it. All right, guys, I'm back at this Dakota. Like I say, it was a false alarm on the scan tool. It's not the DRB, it is the white tech. Now, after looking at the service information, the airbag module in question is the occupational module, I want to say. But anyway, it's located on the passenger side, guys. Let's go over here. I had to look that one up. I do not know where that one's located at. So according to the service publication, it is under the passenger seat. So let's take a dive under here and see what's going on. Okay, that is the module right there. Think about these modules, man, because they're on the seats. People tend to have a lot of problems with them, you know, moving the seats up and down. This is the module right here. Okay, now, whoa, there's a connector. Why is this connector? Okay, that's what I mean, getting under here and doing a good visual. You might find damage. You might find the harness stripped out because, like I say, people slam stuff under their seat all the time. From the looks of it, I don't know, because I haven't replaced one in a while. I don't know, but I think it should be a connector on here. Here's one. Let me see something, guys. If this will fit, this likely go in there. And ladies and gentlemen, wait. Okay, it feel like this is where, just heard the click. That is where this goes. So why is this unplugged? Is beyond me. Now I'm gonna go back to my scan tool, and this code was active, y'all. See, it's a lot of, there's another airbag sensor. Everything under here is airbag related, so a good visual will go a long way. And look how this wire is exposed. So I don't know why. To really get a good view, I will have to take this seat out and repair or reroute this wiring, because this is dangerous. The first time somebody, like say a heavy set guy, get in here and try to move the seat up and down, you know, you can, or put somebody jam something under here, you can easily pinch a wire. But guys, the suspense is killing me. Let me go and see if these fault codes are still alive, still active, I mean. All right, so let's go back to the scan tool, guys. Let's get it. Alright, guys, you can see it's rescanning the vehicle. My box is still red, which means it's still off the bus. Alright, guys, so it's done scanning. I still have the same number of DTC, but what we are concerned with is if, whoa, I'm back online, guys. I'm back on the network. Let's see what kind of fault code is in here. OCS negative, system weight stored. I lost communication with cluster. Okay, so I may have to do the weight system recalibration. Okay, but for now, it's not active anymore, guys. So from the looks of it, it's simply unplugged. But I can't go out like that. I'm gonna have to partially remove that seat and get a good visual inspection down there. Okay, but yes, my whole bus network system is back. Nothing is active in the airbag. Like I said, in the airbag is different. If there's a fault code, it's going to be, the light's going to be on. Pretty much I'm done, guys. I'm going to wrap this video up. I just got to remove the seat and verify a few more connection points. And that's about it. I hope you got something out of this video. The number one thing you should have got out of it is it makes sense to do a visual inspection, guys. So a Visual inspection can go a long way. All right, so I'm gonna leave y'all with that, guys. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.